Hey everyone, and welcome to a new video where I'm redesigning a business website. Today I chose the website of SipTogether, which is a startup that developed a smartphone application which helps you to meet new people at the location where you currently are. What's special about them is that they try to distinguish themselves a little bit from classical dating app by actually saying that they want to help you to make new friends and join social activities like sports events, parties, and so on. To be honest, I had a difficult job redesigning this website because when looking at their current website, they already do a really great job. So the only thing that I noticed, which was a bit distracting, or I think that can be improved, is not so about the visual design, but more about the strategy that the startup is following here with their website. Because this is the most important part of their website. It's the header section. Right, and the call to action that they are offering here is basically just saying Instagram. So I know what this button is going to do. It's probably going to take me to their Instagram account, which is true. But first they are saying, follow us on Instagram to be part of our next test phase. So only here it is that I learned that their smartphone application is not yet available, but that they are still doing user tests and did not launch their app yet in an app store. You see, the new design is not so different from the previous version. I had one draft where I even chose the same background image, and then decided to replace it to something that's more relatable to what their service is actually about. But let's focus on these two. The main difference that you can see is that I, instead of having this Instagram button here, decided to use a form which helps the startup to collect email addresses of visitors that are interested in their service. And the reason why I think that this might be a better strategy is because first, it improves the amount of time that the user spends on the website. So instead of leaving the website right away by clicking the Instagram button, the user will continue to be on this page, maybe sign up to the list, but then scroll down and learn more about their product. Secondly, a benefit of an email list is that you actually own the platform. So once people signed up, you own this list. When you send users to their Instagram profile, you are not so much in control anymore, because the social media platform decides the rules, like how your content is being distributed, how many people will see your content. And so you're sort of dependent on this platform. Another thing I changed, which I think is really important, is that we let the users know as soon as they enter the website that they are currently in a beta phase, so that the app is not yet available, but they can get access via an invitation. When looking at this website, the first question I might have is, okay, where should I register, or where can I download the app? But it's not available yet. So I think we should make that clear. I changed the menu a little bit by adding another call to action. On the current website further down, the startup asked to get in contact with the team. So I thought that might be a great alternative call to action if someone is not interested in joining the list, to at least have someone to talk to and learn more about the application. Some tiny things I changed. I got rid of the start list item here in the menu, because I think it's not required anymore. If someone wants to get back to the homepage or to the start of the website, they can simply click the logo. That's a common way to solve this. Instead of saying pitch, I said how it works. So I think then it's clearer what to expect when actually clicking this link. I changed the mockups by some newer versions, and also replaced register screen, so the second screen here, with a screen of a list of different events, because I think that's a very important feature. that it's actually possible to, I think also host events, but join social events. All right, as always, feel free to share your thoughts on my new design or the strategy that I'm suggesting to SipTogether in the comments below. This always helps me also to improve my skills as a web designer. And thanks again for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.